Hi everybody, my name's Gary. I am the proud owner of a 2020 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special Stonewash White that I purchased in Manchester, New Hampshire in November of 2020. Prior to that, I purchased my first Harley in February of 2020, a 2014 Street Glide Special that was sand camo denim. The main reason I bought it was because I've been driving metric bikes since I was 14 years old. And as I grew older, I developed diabetes and some neuropathy in my feet, which made it harder for me to upshift. In fact, back in 2019, I almost went over the handlebars when I thought I went from first to second gear, and I didn't let out the clutch, and I was still in first gear. So while I was looking around for another motorcycle, I had a dealer in Beverly, Massachusetts recommend a Harley-Davidson that he had on the floor with a heel-toe shifter. Took it for a ride, loved it, it's just what I wanted. Loved the bike and drove it like crazy all summer, and decided I want to go for the bigger motor and the improved suspension and also having a warranty. So I bought the 2020. Thank you, Harley-Davidson, for deciding not only to give one key fob starting with the 2020 models, but also removing the heel shifter. Fortunately, the dealer threw in the heel shifter in order to make the sale. Wow, $35, so they could sell it to me. So, looking around on YouTube and at different videos, I saw a YouTuber, Matt Laidlaw, who is associated with Laidlaw Harley-Davidson out in Los Angeles. And he had a 2018 white Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. And he had customized it in such a way that I really liked it. Including, he put knee pads, tank knee pads on it. But he also has the black Harley-Davidson emblem instead of the long one that says Harley-Davidson. He just has the black outline of the bar and shield. So after looking around and seeing people talk about a vendor over here on the East Coast who sells those kinds of emblems, I decided to get one for myself. The guy's primarily on Instagram. He goes by the handle of Harley_Rebus, R-E-B-U-S. He's got a .com address too, but it looks like he's still working on that. But it appears that he does most of his business on Instagram. So do a search for Harley_Rebus, and you can see the products that he sells. So I purchased 2 tank badges, the bar and shield in black, that I'm going to put on my bike. It just came in the mail today. Now I have to tell you, I made the deal with him last Thursday. This is Thursday the 18th. So I made the deal with him a week ago. Sent him the money by PayPal. Apparently he also takes Zelle. And I hope it's a he. I'm pretty sure from the communications that it is a he. First name is T-A-R-A-S, so I'm not 100%, but I'm going with that. And he confirmed the sale on Friday. Monday was President's Day, but he sent the package out, and I received it Thursday morning. So the turnaround time from the New Jersey area to New Hampshire was pretty good. I can't complain about that at all. So I've got the package here. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to see what we have. It's packaged very well. Time for some new scissors, I think. Those apparently not sharp enough to cut through this properly, so I'll have to use the Armstrong opening method. And here they are. They come in separate packages. I have 2 of them. You can see that they have the 3M tape on the back. Try to get into one of them here. They are zip-locked. Also want to tell you that he offers a 10% discount for EMS personnel, fire, police, ambulance folks, and as well as a 10% discount for veterans. So here's the first one that I opened up. This is 4.3 inches according to his advertisement online. I'm looking it over. The thing is as smooth as glass. I don't see any dimples, any blemishes whatsoever on this one. I'm not going to take the other one out of the package yet, but I'll take a look. No dimples or blemishes either. And it's got a slight curve, so I anticipate I won't have any problem getting it to stick to the tank. So this is my initial experience with Harley_Rebus, and based on the quality of what I've got here, I suspect I'll be doing more business with them. Thanks for listening and watching.